Dumating na si Sam, guys, kasama yung kapitbahay namin. So, magluluto ako, guys, ngayon ng ng sardinas with eggs. Gimingaw ko guys, nga sudan ba. So, magluto ka karon, guys. Di ko alam kung kumakain sila, Sam, ng sardinas with eggs. Yan. Tommy na sardinas. I-prepared ko muna to, guys, para makakain kami agad. Baka napanis na yung kanin ko dito. Kahapon pa to na napanis na nga, guys. Sayang. Hindi ko nalagay sa refrigerator ang ang kanin. So, i-prepared ko muna to, guys, yung lutuin kong itlog at saka sardinas. Namimiss ko kasi, guys, kumain ng may kanin pa yung ko, itlog with sardinas, guys. So, ayan na, guys. Itlog, sardinas, tsaka bawang. Kailangan ko pa ng ng sibuyas. Ito yung sibuyas. Tapos, ako, guys, magluto ako ng kamote. Yung Japanese kamote ba? Yung sa atin na kamote, kasi yung kamote dito sa US, guys, ay iba, orange. Pang yun siya, guys, pang bake yun siya. Takpan natin to. Hindi pa ako nag-almusal, guys. Magluluto muna ako ng kanin. Akala ko, guys, panis yung kanin. Hindi pala. Yan, buti hindi na panis. Sayang pa naman to pag napanis. Madami pang kanin. Kaya ito, okay pa. Yan. Yan. Okay pa. Mamaya na lang ako magluto ng guys. Yan, kahapon ko pa ito na kanin, guys. Nagsaing ako. Tapos, no, isang araw pa. Nakalimutan ko ilagay sa refrigerator kasi nga baka magpanis. Tapos hindi naman siya panis. So, okay lang siya. Okay pa siya. Maganda ang panahon ngayon, guys. 69 degrees. Sa labas. Ang hati na ilagay ko nito. Gimingaw ko, guys, o sardinas na naiitlog. Kasi nung karang araw, ito yung ulam ng mama ko. Ito yung mga pamangkin ko. Tapos sabi ko, wow, nainggit ako. Kaya, may sardinas naman ako. So, magluluto ako ngayon, guys. Ito, binalatan ko na to. Itong bawang. Para mabilis lang siya ba. Naku. Ang ng sibuyas. Ang tapang. Ay. Ang tapang ng sibuyas. Binilatan ko na lahat yung bawang para pagluto ko ay mabilis na lang. Ganyan-ganyan na lang, guys. O, di ba? Yes, Sawyer? Yan na muna yan. Kunin ko lang yung ano guys. Tinik ng isda. Ayaw ko ng tinik ng isda guys. Ayaw ko ng tinik ng isda. Kaya tanggalin ko siya. Yes? Huh? What's that mean? Go in the toilet. Go in the toilet. Naku. Go ba? You know already. Ayaw ko niyan. Ayaw ko ng tinik. Kaya kinukuha ko talaga to. Yan o, diba ang lalaki? Ang haba. Isahin ko muna to tapos lagyan ko ng itlog. What? Okay. Tapos ilagay na natin ang sibuyas. Yan. Tapos, ilagay na natin ang guys, nagisa na ang sardinas. Lagay natin ang itlog. Yan. Sarap ng ulam ko guys, sardinas na may itlog. So luto na guys ang eggs na may sardinas. Ayan. Kakain na muna kami ni Sawyer guys ng tanghalian kasi hindi pa kami nangain tanghalian. Anong oras na? 2 o'clock na guys. You wanna eat? Do you wanna eat, Soso? Sawyer, do you wanna eat? Yeah. Okay, let's go eat. And guys, kumakain si Sawyer ng sardinas na may itlog. Ayan. Sawyer, is it good? Yeah. Yeah daw. Yan, kain tayo guys. Ito, kakain muna kami ni Sawyer. Buti na lang kumain si Sawyer ng ganito. First time niya palang kumain ng sardinas na may itlog, guys. Brother is here! Sawyer! Brother is here? Hug, brother, hug!
Why you're so black?
Telling you about
My shirt?
your
Yeah,
shirt.
you're so blue. No,
What you gonna do? Clean your room.
it's so black.
Hey, clean your room.
And then I can go on my PC.
And then you have all the clothes on the floor. The jacket
Pick it
is
up,
there.
yeah.
You have to pick it up.
Then I can go on my gadgets.
Yeah, I'll check it. Can you put the towel please in the dryer? Ito guys, nag-chop ako sa mangga na nabili namin kahapon. Ayan. Ito siya guys, ni-air dry ko muna. Tapos ilagay ko sa refrigerator. So meron pa akong i-chop 6, 7. Ito 7. So ayan. Lagay ko sa ref para kung gusto nilang kumain ng mangga, kuhanin na lang nila sa Tupperware guys, at saka easy to eat na. Hindi nila Kasi guys, pag hindi ko binalatan at hindi ko chinap yung mangga, walang kakain talaga. Walang kakain kasi nga tamad sila magbalat ng mangga. Kaya kailangan kong balatan at ilagay sa Tupperware para ready to eat na nila. Let's see.
Surprised you like it.
Samantha likes the eggs with sardines.
Is there a problem that I like fish?
Hindi pa ako nakapagligpit, guys. Walang rice.
Fish. My parents don't let me eat fish.
What kind of?
Disgusting. Organic.
Oh. The fish?
Yeah, my dad.
I think because you guys doesn't used to eat fish. That's why.
I even floss. I did.
Are you sure?
Yes, I did. Ah.
Oh, Sam, your grade in science is A. Oh, that's good. So, nilagay ko na, guys. Ayan na yung mga prutas na chop ko na. Ayan. Ayan, meron na namang salad ng asawa ko. Ito yung salad, guys. Asawa ko to siya. Yung mga yung mangga na slice ko na lahat. Ayan, puno na naman yung aming refrigerator, guys. Dahil kahapon nga ay nag-grocery kami. Kaya puno na naman. Mga putas, mga gulay. Yun ang aming binili. Kaya gabi na kami nakauwi kahapon, guys. Inutusan ko si Samantha at saka si Shelton, guys, na paliguan si Sawyer. So, andito na si Sawyer, guys. Ayan. Do you wanna eat now? Huh? Samantha! Shelton! Samantha! Shelton! Tinawag ko sila, guys. Kasi pakainin ko na sila. Hindi pa kasi ako tapos dito sa kusina. Eat! Dahil nagluto pa ako ng lunch para bukas ng asawa ko, guys. So, kailangan kong lutuin. Natapos na ako, guys. Itong salmon. Salmon with broccoli, tsaka salmon with Baguio beans. Ayan. May nag-comment doon, guys, na bakit ko daw hindi bigyan ng pagkain yung
Come up here, Sire.
anak ko.
Isn't salmon fish?
Yeah. The salmon is fish.
Is there lemon in that?
Yeah. There's lemon.
The vegetarian's gonna eat this?
He wants a... Uy! Sawyer.
What's up with it?
My gosh, Sawyer!
Huh. Hey, I want some broccoli too.
Mamaya pa ako kakain, guys. Mamaya pa ako kakain kasi hindi pa ako gutom. Yan. Eat, eat. You have this one. Yan. Broccoli.
It's green.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
So, ito yung comment niya, guys. Sabi niya, bakit ko daw hindi bigyan ng pagkain yung anak ko?
Okay.
Tinatanong ko naman sila, guys, kung kakain sila or hindi. Sinasabi nila sa akin, hindi pa sila gutom, kaya hindi ko sila binibigyan. Especially ito, minsan, nabubusog ito dahil maraming snacks ito sa pantry. Kumukuha lang siya. Pag once na andito na ako sa sa upuan, kung gusto niyang kumain, binibigyan ko naman siya. Pag hindi niya gustong kumain, hindi ko siya bibigyan. So, kung hindi sila gutom, guys, hindi ko sila pinipilit kumain. Lalo na si Samantha at si Shelton, yan silang dalawa. Hinayaan ko muna sila hindi kumain kasi tinatanong ko naman yan sila kung gutom or hindi eh. Ito naman si Sawyer, guys, ay minsan nanghihingi siya ng pagkain sa akin, minsan hindi. Tapos binibigyan ko siya ng pagkain, kumakain siya mag-isa. Sabi kaming dalawa. Give him, kaya yun guys. So kung nag-comment, yun yung paliwanag ko sa'yo. Thank you sa pag-watch sa aming channel, by the
Why
way.
am I the only one who's eating the salmon? I can eat it all too.
It's okay. You don't have to eat it all. I can eat it later.
Mommy, at the park, on the red side, Shasta climbed over and he hit his leg and it was so funny. I hit my balls.
Yan, luto na siya guys. Luto na ang Baguio beans. Ayan. Gusto nila yan guys, ginisang Baguio beans. Nilagyan ko siya ng ano guys, ground pork lang nilagay ko niyan. So dato po na, linis na tayo ng kitchen guys. Para matapos na tayo at makapagpahinga. Ito, hindi siya pwedeng ilagay sa dishwasher. Kailangan ko siyang kamayin. Yes. Don't know what to say. I don't know what they're talking about, boy. What they're doing upstairs. Look, don't touch that one. Do not touch that one. They're not including you? You saw daddy? What daddy said? Oh. Oh, okay. So what brother doing and sis is doing? Ah. Do that. What are you doing there? Huh? What? Huli pa? Ganagat gat lagi. Ha? magtapon muna ako guys ng basura sa labas.
That's not messing.
Do not touch lagi that one.
That's Cassie, Mom. That's not messing.
Yeah, that's daddy. Do not touch that. That's daddy.
I'm not open.
Do not open that.
I'm not open.
La, daddy, do you want daddy spank you? Do you want daddy spank you? Huh? Do you want daddy spank you? Okay. Close it. I'm gonna throw the garbage. Do you wanna come with me? Throwing the garbage? Huh? Guys, basura to siya. Basura. What? What happened? Agay, oh, tingnan niyo. Hala, oh, guys, oh. Sawyer, guys, oh. He's mad. Why are you mad? Candy, I'll give you candy later. I have to throw this away. The garbage. Ano ko tatapon, guys. Tatapon muna ako.
Garbage is rubbery.
Ha?
I thought garbage is rubbery.
You want candy?
What's use?
Okay, move me, move. I need this one.
What did this one do? And this one do?
Doon ako magtatapon ng garbage. This one, this is daddy's stuff here. We can't throw the other one. We just leave this one in here because this one is for the what this one? Recycle. We need to recycle that. Now, do not touch lagi that one. Bigat ito. There's more. Ah! Agoy! No, lagi that one lagi. Do not touch. Daddy's gonna get mad if it touch it. There's another one. Have to get it.
That's another one. But I need to get it.
Yeah. Move. Ay, nako. Wala na.
That's mine.
Ha?
That's mine.
Come on now.
This is Bobby's shoe. This is Bobby's shoe, Mom.
Ha?
This is Bobby's shoe. This is Bobby's shoe.
Hey, brother. I know. Hold on. Okay, I'll get the other shoes. Agoy. Makata. Okay, here. Oh, ginamit ko kasi yung shoes ng isang shoes ng brother niya. Eh, kailangan niya daw kasi siya daw ang gagamit. Oh, yan. You don't need to wear that. That's going. Tapon tayo na. Itong garbage ka namin, guys, ay every once a month may naglilinis dyan. Kaya hindi mas baho. $15 a month. Kaya hindi siya mabaho, guys. Dati kasi, sobrang mabaho niya kasi hindi namin nililinis. So, may naglilinis dyan. Kaya hindi na siya mabaho. Come on, let's go inside!
Mom, Daddy.
Ah,
Mom, Daddy.
candy na ko. Sinisingal na ako ng candy. Ayan, guys. Oh, ang kalat ni Sawyer. Oh. Okay, I want you to clean up your mess. And then I'll give you candy.
Okay.
Okay, good job.
Where?
Good job.
Clean.
Clean up, okay?
Mom, Daddy.
Clean up.
Mom, clean up.
Good job.
Clean up, Mom.
Clean up. Good job, Soso. Yan si Sawyer. Oh. Come on, clean up now. Put it in the toy box. Clean up, clean up. Everybody's clean up. Okay, go. Clean up. Make sure you put in a toy bin, boy. Yeah.